December 15th, 2007, 5:35 in the afternoon. I've just come from the top of the hill where the fortress is, hopped a little bit on the tourist trolley, and I got off again and walked through some of these cobblestone streets. And I just wanted to show you some of the colors, from sort of light turquoise to yellow peach to darker pink, purple, light blue, yellow, all these different colors. I just love this color schemes here on these stuccoed buildings. And I'm heading down now on a street called Calle del Sol, which is the Street of Sun. And this street will actually take me down to the southern waterfront of Old Puerto Rico, where I get a good look across the bay. It's not quite sunset yet, but it's getting there. It's getting noticeably darker, 20 minutes to 6, and the sun usually goes down at about 6 o'clock. And I'm just heading right towards the waterfront now. There's a walkway all throughout here where you can get a very nice view over the bay. And I think this must be the way into La Fortaleza, which is the governor's mansion. This is the Bay of San Juan. Right here, look at the details up here. There's a Madonna with a child up here on the balcony. All sorts of details here on these houses. And this, I think, is called the Plaza de la Rogativa. And I've been reading up on this square a little bit. There was a siege in 1797 by the British, who were besieging San Juan from across the bay. And they gave up their siege because they saw all these torches from across the bay in the city of San Juan. And what it was, basically, legend says that it was a bishop who was walking through town, as you can see here, followed by a number of women who were carrying torches, and they were actually lighting up the path. And apparently that's what the British saw, and that's what made them retreat and actually give up the siege. And this rogativa apparently means procession, and this, I believe, is the reason why the British, according to legend, gave up their siege here. This is one of the fortifications here, one of the, what do you call those things where they shoot out of with their guns and ammunitions and all that type of stuff here. Can take a little walk out and give you a better view over the bay. I'm hoping to catch a little bit of a sunset today. Not quite sure whether it's going to happen or not. Smells a little bit of fish here. People are already waiting, so I'm not sure if we're going to have a nice sunset or not. There's still rain clouds all over the place. But I'm going to give it a shot anyway.